Are you looking? Single-serve coffee makers have become essential in busy households and offices, offering quick, customizable brews without the mess. As the demand rises, these machines appeal especially to coffee lovers who value convenience, speed, and flavor consistency. This guide evaluates the best coffee maker single-serve options based on key features like brew strength, temperature control. List number: Keurig K-Elite single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker. The Keurig K-Elite stands out for its versatile features that cater to coffee enthusiasts seeking control over their brew. With strength and temperature control options, you can tailor your coffee to your exact preference. The machine's iced coffee capability is perfect for warm days, offering refreshing cold brews without hassle. Its sleek design and robust build make it a reliable choice for daily use. The large water reservoir reduces refill frequency, and multiple brew sizes provide flexibility, making the K-Elite a premium pick for anyone looking for a powerful, easy-to-use single-serve coffee maker. List number: Keurig K-Express single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker. Ideal for users wanting simplicity and efficiency, the Keurig K-Express is a compact powerhouse. It offers three brew sizes, 6, 8, and 10 ounce, and features a strong brew button for a bolder cup when you need that extra caffeine kick. The minimalist design fits neatly in tight spaces, perfect for kitchens or offices with limited counter room. Despite its small footprint, List number: Ninja coffee maker, single serve, compatible with K-Cup pods and grounds. The Ninja single serve coffee maker breaks the mold by allowing you to brew both coffee pods and loose grounds, providing unmatched versatility. It offers 4 brew styles, including classic, rich, over ice, and specialty, catering to all taste preferences. Its innovative design ensures optimal extraction and flavor, while compatibility with K-Cup pods keeps convenience intact. Whether you prefer drip coffee or espresso-style richness, this machine handles it all. The Ninja's durable build and easy-to-use interface make it a standout option for coffee lovers seeking variety in their single-serve coffee maker. List number: Hamilton Beach two-way 12-cup programmable drip coffee maker and single-serve machine. For those who want the best of both worlds, the Hamilton Beach two-way offers a unique blend of a full pot drip brewer and a single-serve option in one appliance. Perfect for families or offices, it can brew up to 12 cups or a single cup from ground coffee or soft pods. The programmable timer ensures fresh coffee awaits your schedule, while the single-serve side accommodates quick personal brews. This versatile, budget-friendly coffee maker is excellent for multi-person households or anyone needing flexibility without sacrificing quality. List number: Keurig K-Mini single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker. The Keurig K-Mini is perfect for those who want a compact, no-frills coffee maker that doesn't sacrifice performance. It brews 6 to 12 ounces of coffee and features a slim profile, ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or offices. Cord storage helps keep your space tidy, and despite its size, it delivers consistently hot and flavorful coffee using K-Cup pods. The K-Mini is simple to operate with one-button control, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking an efficient, portable, best coffee maker single-serve without extra bulk or complexity.